Have you ever clicked through a website only to find that their terms and conditions have mysteriously changed, leaving you wondering about your rights and obligations? Updating user agreements is a common necessity for online services, but doing it correctly is crucial for legal enforceability. Legally updating online user agreements primarily involves providing clear notice to your users about the changes and, in many cases, obtaining their affirmative consent to the new terms. This process ensures the updated agreement is binding and helps maintain trust with your user base. The core reason behind these requirements stems from contract law principles and consumer protection statutes. An online user agreement is considered a contract between you and your users. To modify a contract, both parties must generally agree to the changes. While explicit consent isn't always needed for minor updates, for significant alterations, courts often requiring evidence that users were clearly informed and accepted the new terms. This protects users from unexpected shifts in service or policy. To effectively update your online user agreement, first, clearly draft the revised terms, highlighting what has changed from the previous version. Next, determine the appropriate method for notifying your users. For substantial changes, particularly those that impact user rights, privacy, or service scope, an active consent mechanism like a click-wrap agreement is often best. This requires users to click an I agree button before proceeding. For less significant updates, a browse wrap or scroll wrap notice, where continued use of the service implies acceptance after clear notification, might suffice, but this carries higher legal risk. Make sure the notification is prominent, perhaps through an in-app pop-up, a dedicated email, or a banner on your website. Always keep detailed records of when and how users were notified and consented, including timestamps and version numbers. Consider implementing a version control system for your agreements, clearly labeling each iteration, and providing an archive of past versions for reference. This practice, along with clear and concise communication about the changes, demonstrates transparency and reinforces your commitment to ethical user engagement. When users feel informed and respected, they are more likely to continue using your service, strengthening your legal standing and community relationships. By diligently following proper notice and consent procedures, particularly for important modifications, you not only ensure the legal enforceability of your updated terms but also foster greater transparency and trust with your users. This careful approach helps avoid future disputes and builds a strong foundation for your online service.